Hey everyone, welcome to my new video and my YouTube channel Turn to Learn with Rafia. In this video, we will practice to write small and capital letters both in cursive handwriting. So let's start. Okay, so let's write and learn together. A, B, C. In my previous video, you can learn the sounds as well. D. In this way, we can join the letters easily in paragraph. E. These strokes are very helpful to join the letters in paragraph and we can easily write in cursive writing. F. If you want to write in cursive writing, then practice with me. Practice will make your writing improved, inshallah. G. Meanwhile, please like my video and subscribe my channel. H. In the next video, we will write paragraph by using these letters, inshallah. I. So simple to write these letters in cursive writing as you can see. J. This is the basic step to improve your writing. K. I will upload more videos like this on my channel. L. So keep watching and subscribe. M. N. O. Oh, nice. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. So these are our small and capital letters together in cursive writing, and in my next video I will teach you how to write paragraph by joining these letters in cursive writing. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel, like my video and share with your friends. Allah Hafiz.